The only way you're going to get good at automotive locksmithing is to practice. I would suggest trying to go to the salvage yard and get locks from the vehicles that you plan to work on. You can also buy used locks off of eBay. Remember, if you go to a salvage yard and you have to pull your own locks, you're going to have to be able to turn the ignition locks before you can remove them in most cases. That is going to involve having the right tools. Take the locks apart and study the locks. Learn how to read their wafers. Study all of the reference materials, the AutoSmart, the Fast Facts, all of the catalogs that you can get a hold of. If you have a reader tool, but you plan to call and use the VIN number to get a key code, go ahead and use your reader first and see how accurately you can read the wafers. That's a great way to get some practice, and you can get some feedback when you call and get the key code. I'd also like to suggest that you use 5x7 cards to keep notes on. Have a card for each category or type of lock. Note anything and everything about the lock and keep the cards handy to refer back to. That concludes this course. We want to thank you for buying this course. We hope you found it informative. Please visit our website at www.locksmithdvd.com and review our other courses. Please take just a moment to like the video and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.